Have you just purchased a Kia electric car and want to know how to charge it effectively?
Well, you're in luck, because today we will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to charge your Kia electric car.
The first step is to find a suitable charging station near you, which can be easily located using an app or website.
Once you've found a charging station, make sure it is compatible with your Kia electric car and supports the charging speed you desire.
Next, park your car close enough to the charging station, so that the cable can easily reach your car's charging port. Now, open the charging port on your Kia electric car, which is usually located in the front or on the side of the vehicle. Take the charging cable and insert it into the charging port until it clicks into place. Make sure the cable is securely connected to both the charging station and your Kia electric car. After that, you can start the charging process by pressing the start button on the charging station or using a mobile app. During the charging process, keep an eye on the battery indicator on your Kia electric car's dashboard.
It will show you the charging progress and estimated time remaining for a full charge.
Most Kia electric cars have a mode that allows you to set a specific charging level, so you can customize your charging preferences. Once your car is fully charged or reaches the desired charging level, you can stop the charging process by pressing the stop button on the charging station or mobile app. Remember to always unplug the charging cable from your Kia electric car before driving away. If you're charging at a public charging station, be mindful of the time limit and other drivers who may need to charge their cars. Lastly, it's important to regularly check your Kia electric car's charging cable for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's best to get it inspected or replaced by a professional. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Kia electric car is always charged and ready to go.